Financial education, often referred to as financial literacy, is the empowering capability allowing one to make well-informed, effective decisions with all their monetary assets. This isn't just about understanding numbers or being aware of the latest stock trends. It's about mastering a set of skills, cultivating a mindset, and being strategic about every financial move. Consider this. We live in a world where money plays a pivotal role in our lives. To navigate this realm successfully, it's paramount to have a financial roadmap, a compass. And that's what financial literacy gives you. It's the difference between living paycheck to paycheck or achieving financial freedom and independence. The latter is where you no longer lean on family, a job, or an undesirable company for monetary stability. Let's dive a little deeper and touch upon another vital term: financial confidence. While financial freedom hinges on the magnitude of available resources, financial confidence emerges from your self-assurance and proficiency in generating wealth. It's the internal belief that you possess the ability to earn, invest, and grow your assets. However, many fall into the trap of believing in a money scarcity myth. They are under the misconception that the world is running out of money, or that obtaining more of it is a Herculean task. But here's the profound reality. Wealth is abundant, but only those equipped with the right knowledge and skills can harness it effectively. Think of money as a game. Every game has rules, and those who understand and adapt to these rules find themselves ahead. Mastering these financial rules is a surefire way to ensure you reign supreme in the financial realm. Today, we're diving deep into 4 cardinal principles of money that will anchor your financial journey. By understanding and applying these, you'll ascend to financial heights you perhaps only dreamt of. So, gear up, stay committed, and let's embark on this enlightening journey. Before we delve into these principles, it's important to note that while vast knowledge exists at our fingertips, often free of charge, a staggering 90% of the populace remains financially unaware. Why is this? Let's illustrate with a story. Meet Robert, a recent graduate. He lands his first job and receives a paycheck of $1,700 post-tax. Instead of channeling this sum into savings or investments, Robert splurges on lavish dinners and impulse buys. A month later, he's left with little to no savings. Robert's story is not unique. Countless individuals succumb to immediate gratifications, neglecting long-term financial growth. While tales of windfalls like lottery winnings or sudden inheritance might sound appealing, statistics reveal that a staggering 70% of such beneficiaries end up bankrupt within a few years. Take the case of Mike Tyson, a global boxing sensation who earned over $300 million throughout his career. Due to a lack of financial prudence and unchecked spending, he filed for bankruptcy in 2003. The lesson? Wealth without financial wisdom is fleeting. If you're finding this content valuable so far, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us know what content you appreciate and want more of. Let's continue. Schools might not have financial literacy on their curriculum, but the onus is on us to seek, learn, and grow. So why do many still shy away from this essential education? 2 significant reasons stand out: conventional wisdom and comfort zone and self-esteem. Number 1. Conventional wisdom. Society often hands us a blueprint of financial do's and don'ts, not all of which are accurate. Growing up, we've all heard phrases like money doesn't grow on trees or seen debt as an absolute evil. Consider Elon Musk. In the early days of Tesla, when it was on the brink of bankruptcy, Musk personally borrowed money to keep the company alive. He understood the intricacies of debt, and rather than seeing it as an adversary, he leveraged it to save and eventually grow Tesla into the industry giant it is today. His audacious move reiterates that when used wisely and understood, debt can be a formidable ally. 2. Comfort zone and self-esteem. Wealth creation demands stepping out of your comfort zones and taking calculated risks. Oprah Winfrey, once living in abject poverty, faced countless adversities. She did not let her past define her. Instead, she leveraged her experiences, pushed beyond her limits, and overcame societal norms and prejudices. Her journey from a local TV host to a billionaire media mogul embodies the significance of self-belief and pushing past one's comfort zone. Now let's unpack the 4 cardinal financial principles in greater depth. Number 1. Don't invest in what you don't understand. At the heart of success is a foundational principle, embraced by the investment titan Warren Buffett. Knowledge is power. Buffett's legendary success didn't come from chasing every flashy opportunity. Instead, it was born from hours of dedication, deep dives into understanding, and a relentless commitment to learn. It's a reminder for all of us that true mastery comes not from surface-level knowledge, but from profound understanding. Think about it. During the height of the tech bubble, when fortunes were made overnight, Buffett stayed his course. While many were seduced by the glamour of new tech, he kept his eyes on familiar horizons. This wasn't because he was risk-averse, but rather because he respected the principle of informed decision-making. When the unpredictable wave of the tech bubble receded, many found themselves financially shipwrecked. Meanwhile, Buffett's ship, anchored in knowledge, remained sturdy. This is a testament to the power of understanding your arena deeply. You don't need to be a financial guru to apply this lesson. Whether you're starting a business, picking up a hobby, or learning a new skill, dive deep. Understand your craft, your market, and your tools. That's where true success and genuine confidence lies. Number 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. The world of finance is laden with stories of triumphs and tragedies, and a significant player in this narrative is debt. Imagine debt as a double-edged sword. In skilled hands, it can carve a path to greatness. In the wrong hands, it can lead to self-destruction. Mark Zuckerberg, the prodigious founder of Facebook, stands as a beacon of the former. In Facebook's fledgling days, Zuckerberg leveraged a $500,000 loan not merely as a crutch but as a catapult, propelling the social network into a global phenomenon. This wasn't just about money. It was about vision, belief, and a strategic gamble that debt could amplify his dreams. Yet, debt's darker tale is epitomized by the story of Kodak. Once the undisputed monarch of the photographic realm, Kodak's complacency and innovation, coupled with mounting debts, created a perfect storm. Rather than using debt as a springboard to diversify and evolve, it became chains that dragged them deeper into the abyss of irrelevance. Their tragic decline serves as a haunting reminder that debt, unchecked and unstrategized, can eclipse even the mightiest. These stories aren't just tales of corporations, but lessons for each of us. Whether you're contemplating a loan to kickstart a business or leveraging credit for personal endeavors, remember, wield the power of debt with respect, foresight, and strategy. Let it be your accelerator, not your anchor. Harness its potential, but always be vigilant of its pitfalls. That balance is the key to turning dreams into dynasties. Number 3. Think rich. The essence of this principle goes beyond the confines of material wealth. It's about cultivating an abundant mentality, a mind that sees beyond the immediate, that recognizes opportunities where others see obstacles, that constantly seeks growth over comfort. This isn't about being lavish, but about being expansive in thought and ambition. Consider the story of Jeff Bezos. When we think of Amazon today, we see a colossus straddling numerous sectors, a brand that's intertwined with our daily lives. But it started as a spark in the mind of Bezos. Almost saw the internet as a burgeoning novelty, Bezos visualized a marketplace with limitless boundaries. Starting with books, he faced skepticism and challenges. But Bezos wasn't just building an online bookstore, he was laying the foundation for an empire. Every step he took was backed by belief, not just in his business model, but in his ability to shape the future. He continuously expanded, delved into uncharted territories, and pivoted when necessary. It wasn't just about selling products. It was about changing the way we shop, read, and even interact with technology. For all of us, the lesson here is transformative. Bezos' story serves as a potent reminder that our visions are often bounded by our mindset. If we dare to think richer, to dream bigger, to push our horizons further, then the world is filled with endless possibilities. Each of us has the potential to redefine our realms, to turn the seemingly impossible into reality. It all begins with allowing ourselves to think rich, to believe in the vastness of our potential, and to have the courage to chase those expansive dreams. Number 4. Develop skills to acquire assets. At its core, this principle is a clarion call to personal growth and evolution. In the ever-evolving world of technology, economics, and business, stagnation is the first step towards obsolescence. It's not just about acquiring physical assets, but also about amassing intellectual and experiential wealth, which often proves more valuable in the long run. Consider the journey of Bill Gates. Before Microsoft was even a glint in his eye, Gates was a young enthusiast consumed by the world of software and computing. He didn't rest on his natural talent, but spent countless hours understanding the intricacies of programming, learning from mistakes, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Gates understood early on that skills were the bedrock upon which empires could be built. His relentless drive to better himself and to continuously learn became his most treasured asset. It was this foundational knowledge, combined with his ability to identify and seize opportunities, that led to the creation of Microsoft. Gates transformed the abstract world of ones and zeros into tangible assets, changing the way humanity interacted with technology. But the lesson here isn't limited to tech moguls or business giants. Every individual, irrespective of their field or ambition, has the opportunity to transform their skills into assets. It requires dedication, a thirst for knowledge, and the tenacity to keep pushing oneself. In doing so, we not only enrich our lives, but also create a ripple effect that can change industries, communities, and even the world. The key takeaway: never stop learning, for in skills lie the seeds of tomorrow's assets. In conclusion, financial education isn't just about understanding money. It's about making money work for you. If this video added value to your life, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Your journey towards financial literacy starts now. Let's embrace it together. Before we sign off, a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for taking the time to watch and invest in your financial future. Your continuous support keeps us motivated to produce content that enlightens and adds value to your lives. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, drop a comment below. Together, let's make the journey towards financial literacy a shared experience. Remember, every like, share, and subscription goes a long way in supporting our mission to spread financial education. Thanks again for being a part of our community.